the shame.
I'm not the friend to husband.
You know the friend my husband.
Madam, leave me and they go where they go.
You know the friend my husband. Yeah, what?
I'm not the friend to husband.
You know the friend my husband. But you follow my husband at us. And people see you now.
I know.
Hey, mama, me wa. Hey, mama, me wa.
I go so shoot for
Hey, no, okay, I bought or there.
I go so.
Hey, no, I bought there now. They tell me when you follow my husband at us.
Madam.
See,
I
can't want you. I can't want you.
Madam, leave me.
My husband for me.
Me, I go where they go.
Leave my husband for me, oh.
Madam,
if not, me and you go disgrace ourselves for outside, though.
Yeah.
Me and you go disgrace ourselves for outside, though, shoemaker.
Leave me.
Female shoemaker, leave my husband, oh. Female shoemaker, we know the shame.
You work here?
This man.
You work there for your hand?
Eh.
Where you go?
Okay, who will take ball at you one here? Nakwemu. I do not go at you one.
We don't go.
You the phone at the
go.
You want to go ask?
Found this.
That fish maker.
If you kill an answer, you go jail.
Wait. As I feel this so, I can't decide to marry old man like you. Make her for help you. Help your ministry. You can't say you want to disgrace me. You want to go the fresh maker. Female shoemaker.
I'm not friend to your husband.
They tell you as a friend. They tell you. Eh?
Oga, as you don't come now, I go leave you now. Because today I wear white. If I wear white, I know the last thing. But the day when I will come back, black and black, and you know what in me, then I rest in peace.
You kill my soul.
I go kill shoemaker for your head.
And you go jail too. You go jail.
You
go jail too. You go jail.
Old man.
Where?
We know the
Kill her.
You know the shame kwe keep your tea, you green.
Because you.
You green. Man, we know the shame. Keep your tea. Keep her now. Oga.
Look, I bet you go ask. You go ask.
Okay. You want cat? You wait this side. What's wrong with you? Keep your tea, you green.
Because you.
You green. Man, we know the shame. Keep your tea. Keep her now. Oga.
Look, I bet you go ask. You go ask.
Okay. You want cat? You wait this side. What's wrong with you? If I come for you finally, the black I will wear. Not be when I wear white so. Hey, not a woman for. Hey, woman for is on now. I'll say it's mana cool. If I wear black for you, and your rest in peace, and your burial be that one. When you know, you will meet me for us. You, old man like you, see fine woman like you marry. You say na shoemaker now you want to know. You gonna meet me for us. See there. No, look for us.
Hey, she enjoy you so. She fight you. Sorry, all what you do to you, I beg because of me, don't forgive me here. Forgive me here. Sorry, yeah. Now, so you do the one for us. This one a small one. For us, eh? For us, eh? If they beat me for us, if they beat me for us. And shame, to talk, I'm going to shame. No, you don't come outside now. I beg, sorry, yeah, sorry. Yeah, I mean for saying what you see now. People they pray say food people not just for mouth. You know, we don't make themselves for mouth. I do say that's what for parable. If I never, I don't know. But I for beg for one thing. Just for me. You say truly, you don't even be say I toast you. You don't pay for me. I for say no. If you say he heard the hot now. Put my your friend. You go there. If you only want to be your doer, I will be okay. Yeah, you only once. Yeah, buddy. I go meet you more. Who your friend? I want to say yes. What if I want to do for us? That they beat you for. You know what they do? You know they beat you. Who your doing now? Now you know if you don't know anything. And you will know that first. You do it. You do it.
Agbada get the shoemaker.
Bros.
Apollo.
I do.
Money, oh. Apollo.
I did.
Good morning. You don't go work. You don't fly like this.
I know they go work again.
What?
They go rob me. They carry my shoemaker things. My house I can't do.
For your ass?
For my house. I don't do anything.
This life, eh? You when you see the hustle, they make money, they hustle money, they go. They can see rob you.
That's what I say.
Eh? Yeah. You just come our working place now. Our breaking work, man. I got the fine workers now.
No, I don't feel work for them. See, I wish me wife would work for them. Not be me carry you go there.
Yes.
That time we take carry you go there for you work for them. You know, say this shoemaker work now I like it. No, why I don't build finish. I don't feel jump kill. I don't feel if I may die like that. If I dey work out, they go now, I'll get joy. Everywhere people they hate me. I better get the shoemaker. I go dey happy, you know. So if I come go dey work for baking, now that nigga don't lose, he go die like that. No, why I don't suffer build. I shoemaker want to.
Now that one they give you joy now.
I shoemaker want to. I'm only at the fan now. Me I tell you that is me I start taking.
One never get one they suffer most. Don't be if I work for me, I do so. I can't be person today. I'll still help you. Now my time in this to still help you. What you do for me? Leave it somewhere, say. Tomorrow come meet me for breaking. Now I find something for you. You can start your work again.
Exactly.
Yeah. Agbada the shoemaker.
Bros.
You can see you at the toilet for you.
Okay, now do it your guy.
Aye you. Tomorrow now they expect you.
Okay, thank you. I'll come.
Just sweet. You better pass on my own guys. Small.
sister. That Agbada Shumika girl. Sister, me you forgive her now. Forgive her. She don't beg, she don't cry, she don't do many things to please you. Forgive her because that basket where you see from her, now that basket she take the also small. As she come sees the basket, now what she wanted they walk. Which game you can't get as you keep that basket inside now?
Why they not question on you in medical? Me and you be senior for this house.
Stand you.
Which right you can't get to you continue ask me question? What do I not want to do? The basket they cry for your domos. If they cry for your room, I get many things as the basket they says. She know that one you want here. I get so many things.
Tell me you still reason now.
I say me you shut up, don't tell me anything because that basket again. What did they worry you now? Now me switch the that.
If now your sister you feel, they do that kind of thing to your sister you feel.
No, my sister. She relates to me. I mean, your own sister. Oh, you don't look like your hair lashes. I don't tell you look like lashes. You don't mad. Go find out what they say you're not for front.
I know, see, I should not come out.
They get down, boo. Can't chop your head.
Start drop that.
Your money I take by him.
Start drop that granite.
Your money I use by him. Man, give me the sister.
Go. Agbada the shoemaker. Agbada.
Yes, so
the shoemaker. Agbada the shoemaker. In fact, Agbada the new Agbada the new shoemaker.
Yes, so you dey see now everything don't change. Oh.
I see you, I saw you, new Agbada new shoemaker.
Yes, level don't change.
If with your cap say with your low cap.
Epa, you need that for
you start out entirely.
Yes, yeah. Epa.
So artist now level now. Don't change you.
Epa, na God oh.
Artist now level now. Let's you see the I will call this now.
Now so you be? Huh? You know the shame?
What is that?
I need help. I ask you. You say if I don't give you my something, you not go help me. Now God can't bring person when people not go ask me for anything. He help me. You see me, everything don't change, level don't change, no shame. See get mad they tell me saying more day now. You not the shame. You help me. You help me. So now somebody don't help me. You don't even ask me for anything. He dash me the money. You don't even say me I pay him back. You don't even say me I give her anything. You still get mad, you know shame. See they tell me say I want to stay. See for what?
That mean you want trick. Because you want tell me say who help you so you say you don't do that thing. Now for free I help you. Me they ask you. You want me sure if that person not the parent. You go help me for free like that. Because that will be say me know you say that's what you be before.
I forget that thing, no level. Level don't share.
Come on there.
Sweet shoemaker. Forget it, level don't change it. Sweet shoemaker.
I mean, want to say, but you give money, you say you don't give money to make it do. Who help you say just put everything free for your body? They say they work yourself. That will be say I know you to abandon the newspaper. You're not to see. No, you don't to kill like now. Just put everything. That person will try yourself. They didn't do your man. I be also the craze. Me beg for something. You don't help me. Who want help yourself? I need your man. Just put that place. Back one money. Be mad. Come, free. Everybody inside the worker self. Before he let me like this. No, he let me like this now. Oh, there, I do what I do. Do for me, I do for you. I got to. Make for free like that. Let's go.
Which kind of mistake this one? Hey! Which kind of mistake this one? I don't even want to be alone. My husband.
Husband waiting. Me want that. You come in your husband. I want to make her last for life.
Husband, don't do. I beg. Me say, me was the reason how I want to beg you. For the way I got to misbehave for us. See, what's my fault?
Not my fault.
I'm not your fault. Now this woman when they lie for this our street. Now that woman, I didn't see what he might not see. He might go see here, no go know. Now he tell me say, "I saw you carry shubeka, I'm bad at the house." I don't know say that how much they lie well like that too.
But you believe her?
I believe her that I don't believe her again. Because I don't see the kind of lie with that woman lie. We come do. That because me I use my head. So now start this woman tell lie for one woman head though. And this one with the torso, you know girls want. One cause women.
Get up.
This woman, naive.
That's a woman, so, That woman, so. There ain't go plus. We know the quarrel, That woman, so, he just spoil your husband's house. Make the woman make back off my house.
No,
that woman just spoil your house.
I beg.
No,
it
don't spoil and finish. Because that will be saying me and you, they will not quarrel. They are as peaceful as you have for us here. But that will be saying, go know that woman now. You go to your partner of living for my house. Let me change my mind. Now, when everything is back for your own name. If you would have said that.
No, see.
I went, no. I don't change already.
No, yeah, I will call Lodger.
Me, the women back home for
no, at me go anywhere. I not go anywhere. Now, me and you now, Agbagu.
No, that woman don't do everything. I don't do another person.
You go change her. Not for my name.
Before. You go change.
Me? When I don't change, finish so.
If that woman told you, you don't believe me again.
That woman, the kind between a computer, year of back. Easy me.
Anyway, sir.
You not go tire again.
She's just change. I go
change.
Sit that lamp.
They
are too full at the top. Normal, abnormal.
See, this night, I will cook your favorite food.
Normal.
You not see her. You know so you did try well. That woman. Year of your bed. Year of your book.
Oh.
You know go get chance. That woman, they don't even go husband. The woman no get now.
Why you have
I told you to tell them.
That was
So kill the pikin go dey hungry you. But if you don't still kill the pikin, now you go still suffer. Bad pikin dey leg, but you no go leg kill. This, what's the name? Agbada shoemaker. The basket dey there now. You know they give me for the day break. You don't let me lock my bra for back. Don't sit to suffer am now. Come go dey humiliate this my breast. They talk to my breast anyhow. She calls my mama better pass say she talk to this breast. Or she calls that my stupid sister. It better say cause this breast. You don't forget, man. My breast don't forgive him. Man, do my forgive him. See your daddy now, see me, she dey run. Just nearly go 4. Before die now, she go 6 feet. The breast dey alive. What I go gain? Nothing. As my sister talk. Man, do my forgive him. But I will go give her this basket. Get her motor reach her. My sister supposed to know where it is now. They will want him.
I don't find you trouble.
I know say you no find me trouble. See my sister. Now I dey find you see so. Then I come beg you. My sister beg. What does this way I come dey do you? My sister, no be my fault o. No be my fault o. Okay. See, that woman wey dey my area, that woman can lie for Africa. That woman can lie. And that woman tell me say, he say shoemaker, Agbada shoemaker, follow my husband enter house. I can't ask my husband. That one not tell me anything. I can't say my children defend my husband. That's all for that. Sister, not my fault too. My fault.
Tell you how they friend your husband. You know here. For road you dey beat me, disgrace you. Come and ask, they disgrace me.
Beg, let me quick up beg you so. You know say your husband not dey. Your husband dey have to be this nation. See, as I dress sexy for my husband. I can't hear say he dey carry, he dey friend you. Now come make me the vex. I don't know say that woman I go punish her. That woman too dey lie. That woman too lie. Eh? I beg, no vex for me, I beg. See,
I don't forgive you.
thank you. Now I come say you be good person. You see, as it is so, I get brother. When I go want me, you marry. Who the home of tell me I get any man about cruise? Eh?
Thank you.
I beg. No vessel.
Shall I tell you say I don't friend your husband?
I don't see ya. This your work you use at a bear house.
Amen.
Use at a bear motor.
Amen.
Anything you want you go to get her.
Amen. Thank
As you get good at so.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your shoe cut fast. You get this shoe?
No. If I get, I'll break out of it. I never get, so if I get, I'll break out. No? Thank you.
See, no fat your husband again.
Ah, we don't settle. That my husband. Now for only me. We don't settle. Thank you. I beg, I don't go insult you again. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, bye.
Wow. Salobo, where say we be me? No, mommy, I'm going to anywhere. God, I thank you. You see, food who I not chop, God. Maybe they not say for my mouth. We do well for my body. She don't find out now. Say I'm not the friend to her. Thank God, say she don't find out. Sweet shoemaker.
When they make children wrong?
No.
If not be your bad mouth. I've not see you, someone they see me they wrong. Eh? I don't think as I don't go they use your basket. You know they feed me with a break. You know the passage for there. And my sister still talk to me. If there's even they follow your mat, first go kill you, no go know.
But you come, why you go they call am big breast?
I'm sorry, I know call you big breast.
No, so now this breast they give us a food for that. Now this breast wey dey see so 90 they bring money come with they feed for that. Eh? Instead of why you not call am sexy boobs? Eh?
You still see me they cut my breast again.
No.
What see you they call me?
Sexy.
I'm not be boo. Sexy boobs. Boobs.
Sexy boobs.
Not be book. Shouldn't be books. The basket now, you know what they do, they use and they do. In that passage, they don't feed me. See basket when you go carry. Basket when you take the carry water go school. Eh? If person look your mouth, you go want kill you. I mean this breast, look at, you know succulent. You know sexy.
Sexy.
What you they call the breast now? Sexy boobs.
Sexy boobs.
Not be again.
Sexy boobs.
I not be boob. Sexy boobs. Boobs. Boobs.
Sexy boobs.
This girl. Ah. You should make a girl.
Not they see me they run again, yeah? I be very nice person. No. Because you don't know me, you just talk. Eh? Belle. You do me fun, we get plenty shoe on one so.
My sweet shoemaker girl.
Only shoemaker when they pour fresh in a pot.
Hey.
Belle.